Hello, my name is Kern Kelley, and I've been an educator for over 2 decades. I'm currently the technology integrator in the United States in central Maine, and I present globally on a variety of educational topics. In fact, I was last in South Africa about 10 years ago on an educational conference similar to this one, and I can't wait to be there again. My hands-on workshops we'll be sharing are leveling up your computational thinking, bringing student tech teams, and designing your own AR and virtual reality experiences. All of these are low-floor, high-ceiling approaches to professional development. I focus on practicing educators. I'll leave them with templates, lessons, and other technologies that they can integrate into their curriculum following week. First, leveling up your computational thinking. Regardless of your budget, we'll have something for you that will work in your classroom. We'll go from virtual simulations if you just have access to devices. We'll move on to very low costs, using kind of household types of devices that you'd be able to have access to, very low cost for the classroom, using scrappy circuits. And finally, moving on to microbits, if you have access to these as well, and learn some of the computational theories, techniques that you need in the classroom to implement these successfully. For my next section, Textbooks to Galaxies, Designing Virtual Reality Adventures that Ignite Learning Across the Curriculum, we'll be using the platform CoSpaces. Now, the good news is it doesn't matter what type of device to access that information. Once you have created a virtual reality experience, you can use virtual reality headsets, etc., and technology to be able to expose to it, or you can just use your own laptop or mobile device. Whatever you have access to, you'll be able to share the work that you do. In that workshop, we'll be talking about taking 360 photos, how you can download those that all exist, turn those into interactive educational experiences for your students. We'll really get into the real details of how to build your own models that you can then import into virtual and augmented reality. My final workshop is something I'm super passionate about, and that is including students as part of the solution. So creating student tech teams where students are part of the solution, where they help other students, other teachers, they present, they build the capacity to be able to talk to other people, all those soft skills we want our kids to have. And this is a very real, productive way for them to kind of engage with other students and other teachers in your community and even beyond. Now virtually, my students that I work with every day, we run a weekly live tech support show that they help educators from literally around the world virtually. And so that's something that if you're interested in, we'll talk about the techniques, we'll talk about the templates, the lessons that you can use to get there, and how you can integrate that also into your school or district. I cannot wait to get back. It's been too long. I'm really looking forward to seeing all of you. See you soon.